Today we're making seaweed and egg drop soup. One of the easiest things to cook. Once the water starts to boil, this thing cooks in a minute. So first, we boil some water. And here we have some nori. This is toasted seaweed for sushi making. You can use any toasted seaweed, but I feel like with nori you have more control because they're not salted. Very, very simple. We stack them up, fold them a bit. And we take a pair of scissors, we just cut. I mean, I'm doing the bare bone version with just 2 ingredients, but of course, you can use chicken stock, you can make a dashi, you can season it however you want. This is also a wonderful soup for the kids. I normally don't season until the very end so that my daughter can join us. It looks like a lot, but they cook down quite quickly. So normally my rule is 2 sheets of nori and 1 egg per person. Mix it a bit. While the seaweed is imparting some flavors, we crack 2 eggs. Again, 1 per person. And now, the fun bit. Stove off, you stir to create kind of a current, and you slowly add the egg. Key to a smooth egg drop soup is you have to do it with the stove off. And that's it. Now we can plate. Normally at Chinese restaurants, when they serve this dish, they would add a ton of cornstarch to thicken it. For me, there's absolutely no need for that. If you want it thicker, add a bit more egg. And this is a very versatile soup. You can have it with some rice, you can add some noodles to it. Endless opportunities. I would normally serve it with some salt, some soy sauce, some white pepper for your guests to choose. Or if you're serving it to your kids, this is good to go. It's a wonderful, wonderful soup that cooks in less than 2 minutes. This is seaweed and egg drop soup. I really hope you enjoy.